kia bangina bane abo baitetwe na gusaganwa asenchera yogo itani aso kagerwa koba abarogi abo kitariki 15 cyumutinyi 10 umwaka wa 2020 nomo asensemo ya Marani me Kaunti ya Kesi nigo kigenderete gotegererwa asekigambiro ya Kesi
aseritko lero nigo kiroli batatabo banyarakoba bakwena na oborori bwabo aseboigo banyarekoba kwenekia umukagurwa oyo maselieta amanyegerete buna songo nyarakoba gago kwaneka mara nyinge haseboigo ekigambiro boigo giatebire nga habo batigarete batato kiroli mbachiko bakorwa oborori bwabo magayaye ekinekyo kinyarekoba geko na chwa senchere boikera ntumna gutomanya muri kweto mirere mumanyi.
So I tried to resist, nijaribu sana ndio kabisa nikaona
aigan nase ekigambiro gya Kisii ase kirero kya lilianda kabwa tainse enga kikirori baringe kurwa amarorabo ayo baenegetie enga kya bangina bane baitetwe na gusambwa gwikago kwa kurwa asensemo ya Marani asekelia buna nigo bakageire koba abarogi asomwaka bwechiribu 2020 noyomo chitariki 15 omotienyi oikomi kirori batatabo tomonkwale Kristoba Mayaka amona Peter onkwa bare abana banyagusira abo bane ase abangina abo barenge Agnes Ototo sigara onkware Sindege Mayaka amona Jemi Mamironga nigo bairera alia akorekanegete tukelio bosyobe kigambero omorobeleyo oragwano mu magistrate wa Weru Kialie.
Hao vijana wenye unasema walikuwa ni kama wangapi?
Hao vijana walikuwa 11. Nikaona tu wakianza kumstrip wakatea nguo zote kapaki uchi. Nikaona nani akimwangukia kimpiga. So my mother died after. So after which wakati wamempiga chembe amekufa.
Sasa nani anapiga yeye njembe?
Songo. So from there they mwili libeba tu when drag mpaka na place called Nyagoni, wakamchukua wakasema wanaenda kumchomea mahali wamechomea wengine.
Aba wakili ntenenera bekinekyo nigo batebire ekinekyo nkere angekoera nase batebire mbachikoene kiabanabo banyorire oboene bwabo ase bono kirori bande batatu batigarete gochakuro obosaiti bwabo elio ekinekyo gochikoera.
Today we are almost completing the prosecution case. The commission is interested in seeing that the victims' interests in this case are protected, and that also we use it as a precedent that this witch hunting is something that absolutely must stop. Witness protection agency has done a very good job in this case, and we cooperated with them, and we saw they all give testimony, each according to their experience.
Tomorrow and the day after tomorrow, so we expect the investigation officer in the matter to testify. We also expect the pathologist who did the postmortems on the deceased persons, and also one of the assistant chiefs who happened to be at the scene of the crime at that particular time. So those are the three witnesses we expect over the next 3 days. So the reason why this matter took long was that because the judicial officer who entertained this matter initially was transferred. So of course, as the procedure will demand, the matter had to start de novo. And so we had to start the matter fresh, despite other witnesses who had testified. And that is why the matter took long. But
bono nigo birori batatu banyariko bakwena na obosaiti bwabo ase ekegambero gya Kisii ase kesi ekikeirire emyaka 3 gitanya konyora amachibu gwikira bono iga ase abangina bane banyarito ko bagusambwa gwikago kwa ase kelibuna nigo bakageretu ko ba abarogi. Ku reporter ya Ndizi TV elitaliane Mildred Momanyi.